Looking at where the market is right now on BTC USDT 1-day chart, it discovered that the market is at a very important resistance. And in one of my videos, I talked to you about the market coming down after a breakout. But one thing very significant here is that the market come down, broke out, and come back to the upside. So this can be a retest of this breakout, because if market break out of this very trend line, which is also a support line, and then come back to retest, then this means a lot to us. So this is what I'll be talking about in today's video, and also Solana right here. Pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video for YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. The Bitcoin chart, like I said earlier right here, I was talking about a breakout, and that is exact same thing we saw at this very point. Market broke out, and I was personally expecting the market to come back into this very level of $37,000, but the market move up. So right now I am looking at two things, because when the market changes, you have to change your perspective about the market, because price is dynamic. Then if you look at this very point, we have a very strong resistance. So this resistance at this very point have to break. So for a buy position to be initiated at this very area, we must have to see a breakout of this very level of resistance on the 1-day chart. Bitcoin market must have to break out of this level, and once we see that breakout of this level of resistance with a significant bullish candle, then market is going to move straight to the upside, and the target you should watch is the $50,000 and $52,000. That is, if we see a breakout right here with a bullish candle, expect the market to move up to this very point of $50,000 and $52,000 right here. This is where the market is going to move into. But right now there is no breakout yet, so we have to also watch for that breakout, which is also a possibility in the market. But on the other hand, if you look at this chart, like I told you earlier, market breaks out, and this was an area of breakout on this trend line, and then come back down a little bit into this very price level of $40,500. So from here, market bounce off. So I am also looking at this market as well as a retest of this very support line. So market broke out at this very point, and then from here market retraced. So this will be a retest for a continuation back to the downside. So after this breakout at this very point, market comes down a little bit, retest, and then a possible continuation to the downside into this level. So these are the two possibilities in the market right now. When you see this, the market is going to go up. Then right here, there is a high chance that the market can also move back to the downside. So this level where the market is right now is a critical level, and that is why you need to look at these two sides of the coin. For market to either move up, there should be a breakout. For market to come down, we should see this candle bearish significantly begin to move to the downside. So these are the things you need to watch right now on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. And on the 4-hour chart, we know that the market move all the way from here, impulse, retrace, and impulsive into this very zone of resistance. And this very area of resistance is where the market enter into the very last time, which created the highest high of 44,700. So I am paying attention to where this spike is to this very area on the chart. So for the market to move up, we should have a significant breakout. So even the market move into this region and then not break out of this very spike right here, then I am not going to consider it a bullish move. So market should move upward and break out, create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point. Then it will be a nice time to enter into a long position. But right now, market also have capacity of retracing. But what we are seeing right now on the 4-hour chart is that there is a lot of strength in the bulls compared to the bears, because you see the market move all the way from here upward. This is a retracement, market move again, and the market retrace, move to the upside again. If you look at the way markets have been moving with this very movement downward, you see the market was moving sluggishly, and if you look at the way the market moved upward, it was very aggressive. That's very fast. And then if you look at this very one as well, market come back down, and then this very move. If you look at it, market is consolidating within this area at the moment, which is also very significant. So what I am paying attention to is a breakout. Okay, I am looking at the market breakout on the 4-hour chart right here. So if you see a breakout here with a candle that closed above this very high of 44,700, then the market is going to move to the upside on the 4-hour chart Bitcoin. So this is what you need to understand right now on the chart. And one more thing on this very chart is, if you draw this line at this very point where we are seeing this very spike right at this area, so if markets go below these very spikes, then that means market is going to come down. So pay attention to market going below this very spike, creating a bearish candle that closed below this very line, then that means market is going to come back down into this very area first of $42,000 before this very area of $40,000, which is where the market moved from in the past. So this is what you need to pay attention to and watch on the 4-hour chart Bitcoin. We see a significant move yesterday on ETH into this level of resistance, and the market come back down a little bit. What I am also expecting on this chart is very simple. Since the market move all the way from this very zone, market move upward, come back down, move up, come back down, move again, and then come back down a little bit. If you look at it, market was creating higher highs at this point, at this very area, at this very area, and at this very point. So the market was in a mini uptrend at this very point. So right now I am expecting the market to have a good retracement on this very impulsive move, because if you consider this as a long impulse for market to retrace a little bit back down, so I am expecting that this market come back down into this area, not into this very zone. The possibility of market coming back down into this zone is there, but on the immediate short term, I am just looking at the market come back down a little bit into this very area of support right at this very point. Then from here, market should move upward. Okay, this is very important. So this is what you need to watch right now on ETH. And on Solana, if you look at the market move all the way from here, we have a big gain on Solana from this very point up to this very area. And right now, market is consolidating. Consolidation market means that market is building strength for the next move. So if market move from this very area up to this point, and right now the market is consolidating, it means that the bulls still have a lot of strength to move the market to the upside. So pay attention to this very area of consolidation. A breakout of consolidation is a good breakout to trade. So you wait for a breakout, so market can consolidate here for a while and then break out. Once you see that significant breakout with a bullish candle, then that means market is going to move upward. And I am expecting, if this breakout happens, market should move into this area of 110 and 120 dollars for Solana. So once you see that breakout, market is going to move into $110 and $120 at this very point. So these are the two areas you need to watch for market to move into once we see a breakout on this consolidation that is happening right now on Sol USDT. And on AVAX have been performing greatly in recent time, and it's very important for us to take a look at it. So market move from here, from this very point, move all the way up to this very point and create a new high, okay, since the previous bull run. And then right here, market is coming back to the downside. I am not expecting any aggressive drop on AVAX never. Markets have capacity of moving back to the upside right now. So from this very area of little support, this support is not an important support, but market pause a little bit at this very area, which is where the market is right now. I am expecting that this market move to the upside, so a little drop into this very zone, and the market will pick up from here to the upside. This is what I am watching right now on average, for market to move to the upside from this very area of support. Markets have capacity of moving to the upside on average than crashing back down into this very level of support right at this very point. So this is what you need to watch on average as well. And finally, on Matic created a new high, higher than this very one. If you look at the Matic chart, markets have been going back to the downside, creating multiple lows from this very low to this very area and this very area. And right now, market have moved up a little bit, breaking structures. Market break this very area and this very one and this very one as well. This very area of resistance have been broken. Right now, expect a little decline in Matic. So Matic from this very area is going to move down into this very level of support. This is my personal expectation. Market should move down into this level of support before the final move upward. What I'm trying to say is that market have capacity of moving upward on Matic, but a little retracement is required for the market to move to the upside. So we watch for buy opportunity or long on futures on Matic. There is no need to short the market. And also on AVAX, watch for buy opportunity. On Solana, look for buy opportunity. Also on ETH, market retrace a little bit into this area will be a nice zone to place a long position or a buy position. BTC right here, wait for the market to break out. There must have to be a breakout from this very area before you can trigger any buy opportunity, any buy position. Rather, if market break here below this very line, then that means market is going to come back down into this level first, then this very level of support. And finally, on the 1 day chart, I talk about this very level as a retest. Market have capacity of moving downward. Watch for these two things, and if we see a breakout of this level of resistance on the 1 day chart, then that means the market is going to move straight into this very area of $50,000 and this very level of $52,000 at this very area. These are the things you need to watch right now on this very chart. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. Thanks for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.